Welcome back to my channel, Virginia Beach, Beautiful and Beyond. I'm going to take you to 13 houses in 8 minutes. I had a lot of fun out looking at holiday lights for Christmas time this year, and I recorded about 20 houses, and this is quite a few of them. And one of these houses even has its own Facebook page. I'll put the link down in the comments in the description. And I hope you enjoy these. And also, 2WD 101.3 had a theme Light Up Hampton Roads, and they have a website too. And a couple of these are what they call a spotlight house. The one we're looking at right now is one of them. And there's a second one coming up. So if you go to that link, it'll show you a map. And a lot of people keep their lights up through New Year's, so you can still have a chance to drive around. So I hope you enjoy and have a happy holiday. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that if you want more videos in Virginia Beach and beyond. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great holiday. Bye for now.